Hello everyone, today we are going to create this 3D logo in Blender. This logo I created in INKSCAPE. It's a free software that you can use to easily create many designs. If you want to know more about INKSCAPE, I recommend this YouTube channel called Logos by Nick. It's with him that I started learning design before moving on to Blender. One last thing before starting this tutorial, I would like to thank my first 102 subscribers for their trust in me and what I offer. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I promise to do my best to give you even more good and easy tutorials in the hope that our little community grows day by day. Now, let's get started. First, I select the cube and the light, right click, delete. Now I go here in File, Import, Scaled Vector Graphics, SVG. I go here in SVG in my computer and I select this one. As you can see, it's teeny, we can't see it. So S and I scale it RX 90 to make it in the vertical. Now we can see our logo SVG. GX to make it in the center. Now I go here first in material properties. I change the color to see the logo better. Now we can see our logo. Now I go here in object data properties. I go here in geometry. I extrude it. Okay, just like this. The depth, I give it 0.001. Now, right click, convert to mesh. Now, go here in modifier, add modifier, generate, remesh. Don't worry if you can't see the logo. Go here in sharp, disable this, and increase the number. Now if we go here to see, I give it 10. Now it's good. I apply the modifier, right click, shadow smooth. Now we have our logo. Go here in mesh, I add a plane. S to scale it. Now we go here in the world, in color, environment texture. I open the HDRI in my computer. Okay, I chose this. Now, Control Alt 0, hit N, view, camera to view. I select the plane, S to scale it, Now I go here in render properties. I switch to cycles. Active your GPU if you have one. Here I decrease the number to 32. Here I give it 100. Go here in color management. Here we select very high contrast. Okay, now here when you see the plus up and select shader editor. Hit N to close this window. Now I select the plane. I go here to see. Select the plane. Hit new. I make it metallic. The roughness, I give it 0.1. Select now the logo. Hit new. I make it metallic. The roughness I give it 0.1. Here in specular I give it 1. Right click, shadow smooth. Now if I switch to the render image, we have this logo like this. As you can see, it's easy to make. Now if you go here in the render image, we have this logo in 3D. We started with SVG file. Now we have a 3D logo. This tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoyed to make it with me. It's a quick and simple tutorial. So I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.